Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This is the cordless handheld vacuum that seriously cleans up. With a brushless motor and 15,000 pascals of strong suction power, it tackles crumbs, dust, and pet hair like a pro whether you're in your car, at home, or in the office. It's got an LED light for those dark corner missions, a Type-C cable for fast charging, and comes with 2 filters, so you're always prepped. Lightweight, powerful, and built for the on-the-go life, this vacuum doesn't mess around, but it sure cleans it up. This stainless steel Swan sink strainer holds strong with a multifunction design that filters kitchen waste, rinses veggies, and looks good doing it. Hang it right on the sink edge, and it's ready to catch scraps or serve as a quick rinse bowl. Corrosion resistant, easy to clean, and compact enough for any kitchen setup. It's a strainer, but make it stylish. This is the microwave s'mores maker that brings campfire flavor indoors. No flames, no mess, just gooey perfection in minutes. Load it with graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, then let the microwave do its magic. Great for family nights, solo cravings, or impressing guests with dessert wizardry. Who needs a campfire when your microwave's got this kind of game? This sleek triple-chamber soap and shower dispenser keeps your bathroom neat and your products at the ready. Mount it to your wall, fill with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and say goodbye to cluttered corners. With a modern design and easy pump action, its bathroom goals organized, elevated, and just the right amount of fancy. This 2-pack of Linda's Essentials silicone stove gap covers is the cleanup hack your kitchen didn't know it needed. Each cover is 21 inches long and heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, sliding snugly between your stovetop and counter to block crumbs, spills, and runaway pasta. No more fishing out food from that dreaded crack. They're flexible, lie flat, and wipe clean in seconds. Just peel, place, and forget the mess. Functional, sleek, and way easier than moving the stove. Clean kitchen, calmer vibes. This Kitchen Cloud's anti-fatigue mat brings serious comfort where you need it most, whether you're meal prepping at the sink or grinding out emails at your standing desk. It's got a soft, supportive foam core that eases pressure on your feet, knees, and back. Waterproof, non-slip. And it wipes clean with just one swipe. Sleek black design blends in anywhere, but once you stand on it you'll never go back to hard floors. Standing just got a whole lot softer. This Gorilla Grip bed sheet straps is the secret to beds that actually stay made. No more waking up tangled in a half-loose sheet or doing battle with your corners every morning. These adjustable elastic fasteners grip tight with heavy-duty metal clips and lock your fitted sheet in place. No slip, no slide. Fits mattresses of all sizes and installs in minutes. It's like suspenders, but for your bed, and trust, they hold it down like a champ. Sleep tight, sheet fight over. This 2-pack of under-cabinet lights brings instant brightness where you need it. No wiring, no tools, no drama. Each one is loaded with 40 LEDs and a built-in motion sensor, so it lights up when you walk by and shuts off when you don't. The magnetic back sticks to any metal surface, or mount it anywhere with adhesive. Rechargeable, dimmable, and totally wireless, perfect for kitchens, closets, staircases, and all those dark corners. Its smart lighting is simple. Just stick, charge, and glow. This sleek 24-inch diatomite faucet mat is your countertop's new best friend. Crafted from natural diatomite stone, it rapidly absorbs water, ensuring your sink area stays dry and spotless. It fits snugly around most faucets, preventing moisture buildup and potential water damage. Its minimalist light gray design complements any kitchen or bathroom decor. Easy to clean and durable, this splash guard combines functionality with style, making daily cleanups a breeze. This kid's kitchen step stool turns your toddler into the perfect little helper. Made from sturdy natural bamboo and CPC certified for safety, it features a removable anti-drop railing and a patented anti-tip structure so your kiddo stays secure while they reach new heights. Whether it's brushing teeth, baking cookies, or helping with dinner, this standing tower brings them safely up to counter level. It's stable, stylish, and built for curious minds and little feet. Growing up just got way more fun and way more safe. This turkey baster and injector set is the secret sauce behind juicy, flavorful meals. Literally. It comes with 100% stainless steel needles that let you inject marinades deep into turkey, steak, pork, fish, or whatever's sizzling on the grill. The food-grade syringe is easy to grip and clean, and the bold red bulb gives you control without the mess. Whether you're cooking for Thanksgiving or a backyard barbecue, this gadget brings the flavor straight to the center. Juicy bites locked in. This 2-in-1 multifunctional washing bowl is the ultimate game changer for your kitchen prep. It includes a sealing drainer basket and a foldable handle, making it perfect for rinsing fruits, veggies, or even draining pasta. The compact design saves space, while the brown and white color combo fits seamlessly with any kitchen vibe. No mess, no fuss, just wash, drain, and store in seconds. It's a sink-side essential that does it all, from veggies to clean counters. Prep made it easy, every time. This upgraded microwave splatter cover is your shortcut to mess-free reheats and cleaner kitchens. With a built-in water tank for extra steam control, it keeps your food moist while protecting your microwave from pop-offs and splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, no burns, no juggling, and it fits standard 10-inch plates like a glove. Whether you're heating leftovers or melting cheese like a boss, this cover's got your back. It's the unsung hero of every microwave moment. This 2-tier fruit basket is where function meets fresh vibes. With 2 spacious tiers and dual banana hangers, it's perfect for organizing your apples, oranges, avocados, or even bread and snacks. The open metal wire design keeps produce fresh longer, while the countertop-friendly frame saves space without sacrificing style. Whether you're going full farmer's market aesthetic or just keeping the kitchen clutter-free, this stand's got you covered. It's not just storage. It's a countertop glow-up. This good grip stronghold sponge holder is the ultimate sidekick for your sink. With a powerful suction cup that actually stays put, it sticks to your sink wall to keep your sponge high, dry, and off the counter. The ventilated design lets air flow through, helping your sponge dry faster and last longer, aka no more soggy, funky smells. Easy to install, easy to clean, and built with that classic grip that never slips. Clean sink, clear mind. This gallon collapsible dish basin is a space-saving superstar for your kitchen, RV, or camping setup. It folds flat when not in use, pops open when duty calls, and comes with a built-in drain plug to ditch the mess. No tilting, no spilling. Whether you're washing veggies, doing dishes, or sorting gear, this foldable sink tub handles it all. Made for tight spaces, outdoor places, and everyday practicality. It's compact, tough, and totally clutch when you need it most. This 4-in-1 cooking system is the glow-up your kitchen routine's been waiting for. Air fry, bake, roast, or reheat all in sleek, portable glass containers that go straight from oven to fridge to dishwasher. With a 4 QT capacity plus an extra 6-cup glass container, it's meal prep magic for busy days and quick dinners. Microwave safe, freezer safe, and totally fuss-free. From crispy wings to baked ziti, this gadget does it all and looks sharp doing it. Cooking simplified, ninja style.